Jericho, ipinaglanda na dapat daw maging national artist si Miss Pilita Corrales. Na-interview nga ang Asia's drama king na si Jericho Rosales at napapabalitang kasintahan na ng apo ni Miss Pilita Corrales na si Janine Gutierrez. Sa naging second night ng burol ng legendary icon, nahingan ng komento ang actor kung ano si Miss Pilita, lalo na nung una silang magkita. Ayon sa actor, few months pa lang silang nagkikita ni Miss Pilita at first time nga nilang magkita nung in-invite siya ni Janine sa birthday ni Miss Pilita last year, kung saan hinarana at kinantahan pa ng actor ang Asia's Queen of Songs. Nakitang-kita naman sa mga videos at larawan na lumabas na so happy si Miss Pilita at masaya din sa pag-iibigan ni na Echo at Janine. Ayon pa kay Echo, sobrang bait daw ni Pilita na hindi ka mahihiyang lumapit or makipag-usap sa kanya. Nabanggit din ni Echo na isa si Pilita sa paboritong singer ng Mami Rose niya, kung saan madalas daw kinakanta ni Mami Rose sa mga kanta ni Miss Pilita, lalo na yung Ang Pipit. Aminado rin ang actor na may Alzheimer na ang mother niya, pero nakakanta pa rin ito ang mga kanta ng legendary icon na talaga daw nakatatak na sa memory ni Mami Rose niya. Sa pagtatapos naman ng interview sa aktor, nabanggit nito na dapat daw maging national artist si Miss Pilita Corrales dahil sa laki ng naiambag sa showbiz industry at ganun na rin sa bansang Pilipinas.
So hi Echo.
Hi.
Yeah, of course it's the second day of wake for Miss Pilita Corrales,
Yes.
known as Mamita.
Yes.
Her close friends and family. Would you take us back to your first memory of meeting her?
I met her a few months ago, actually on her birthday celebration. Then he invited me, and yeah, that's the first formal meeting I had with Pilita Corrales. I was truly honored to be there, and yeah, I was there for her birthday.
What was your first impression of her, and did you get to bond with her during her birthday?
Lovely, funny, you know. She's just like, it's like you're staring at an icon. You are staring at an icon.
Yeah.
And yeah, she's just wonderful, very warm, and you know, get that sense of she's very loving, and she's always smiling. Yeah, and I got to sing for her that day. I was got to sing, so you know, I was just like really, it was a really beautiful event, you know, and I was lucky to be there.
Was there any song of hers that was your favorite?
She's actually the favorite of my mother.
Wow.
So,
Does your mom sing too?
she sings a lot.
Wow.
She sings a lot. She's old na. She loves Pilita Corrales songs. She just recently sang Pipit.
Oh yeah. My dad used to sing that to me when he was still alive. Yeah.
She's always been a part of my mother's memory.
Yeah.
You know, she's always, her songs are always heard whenever they visit her mother.
So last question, as a fellow artist who's also into music, what do you think is what can you say is the legacy of Miss Pilita Corrales to the Filipino people?
Well, aside from the obvious,
Yeah.
my mother has Alzheimer's, and she remembers the songs of Miss Pilita Corrales. So that's something goes beyond.
Because it's in the heart.
Better.
Yeah, in the soul. Yeah.
So she should be a national artist.
Oh my God, yeah. I hope. Yeah.
Yeah, that's thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Marami nga ang nanghihinayang sa paglisa ng isa sa kinikilala at batikang singer ng Pilipinas na ipinagmamalaki sa buong mundo. Kaya naman, karapat dapat talaga siyang parangalan bilang national artist na deserve naman yon ni Miss Pilita Corrales. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.